What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Scat back with another one, man. So check it out. We got another mod for the Scat, bro. I told you I was gonna get this mod, had to deliver. So check it out. Let me know what you think. So we got the SRT grill, which I already taped up, man. It took me a little time to tape it up perfectly, as y'all guys can see. So what we're gonna do is go with the gold trim SRT on this thing, dash, man. See what that thing gonna look like. We're gonna have all the matching tags that I did with this car already. So far we got, you know, the Scat Dad tag. Follow that, and definitely follow that. That's my IG page, man. So we got the gold pinstripe, which is so freaking dope. We got the gold wicker bill, which is even more dope. Man, y'all gotta like that blacked out tail light we just did, man, in that last video. And then we're gonna have the front grille, man. So this thing definitely coming along. Oh, forgot about this. It's one of those small mods, man, that I did, man. I didn't even put this in the video, but we painted that gold, and that's the valve stem for the tire. Let's focus, there you go. So I mean, that thing like super cold, man. I mean, just one of those things that just, you know, pop or whatnot. But yeah, so check out the rest of this video, man. Definitely subscribe to the channel, man. We're gonna have a lot of content, as y'all guys see from the previous video, man. So check out this install. Alright guys, it is the next morning, man. I thought I was gonna pop this thing off, but decided not to. Some stuff came up. So we about to go ahead and start taking this thing off. I haven't took the bump off. I don't even know how to take it off yet, but I know I can figure it out. So let's get this thing off. Alright, so we got that first side off. A little struggle, but pop those things off, man. Let's go to the next side. Alright, man, we got that second side off. So we're gonna pop a few little bolts on the bottom, and then the thing should just pop straight out. Alright guys, so with that little work in, man, we are officially ready to go from RT to SRT. RT to SRT. Yes, sir. Alright guys, so we snapped a little problem. So the SRT grill is pretty much not compatible with the RT grill. You have to get like the little bumper support for the headlights, but we're not gonna do that. So what we gonna do is use Gorilla Glue mountain tape. We're gonna try that. And then just give it a little enforcement, man. We're gonna put like some Gorilla Glue tape on that thing, man. Just to give it a little bit more support because, I mean, hell, it's snug on there, but you know, it's just, the clips don't match up. So I'll show you which clips it is. So, there we go. So those clips there, man. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and cut those off. And then just put the SRT grill in and then let's see if it hold, man. All right, guys, we are finally done, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video, man. So definitely like, share, and subscribe, man. If you like the Scat with the SRT grill now, man, definitely like that thing, man. She is cold. Yes, sir, man. So 2 more. We got a lot more mods to come, man. Hey, peace.